Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to hide the Copilot floating button from Excel. So if you recently opened Excel and found this button to access Copilot, but if the feature isn't for you, you can actually disable it permanently. And here's how to do it. Just go to File, Options, and then go to Copilot and just clear the Enable Copilot option. Click OK, and there you go, it's gone. Now, if you want to enable it, just go to File, Options, and from the same Copilot settings, just check the option. You may need to restart the app to regain access to Copilot. There you go. And that is all there is to it. Remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.